As the school year goes on, our sports seasons are coming to an end. It's that time of year for seniors to figure out some of their after high school plans. Senior Kayla Meyer just finished up some of her varsity basketball and varsity volleyball and comes to talk to us about some of her plans for the next 4 years.
I have been playing sports my whole life. It's something that I've always been involved in. I was always going to practice or games. I always had my teammates to be around. So now that it's over, I have a lot more free time that I'm not used to.
Being an athlete, it's always hard to say goodbye to some coaches, but for Meyer, she gets some of her free time back now.
With all this new free time, I plan to work out. I have a job that I plan to go back to. I've been on a break from it for a while, and then I also plan to just hang out with my friends more now that I have more free time, especially before I leave for college.
Senior Stella Rizzo is a varsity track and dance athlete here at DGS. In May, her life is going to change, and she is navigating through the changes right now.
I definitely think it's going to be a big adjustment because I've played sports all 4 years in high school, and it's always been the way that I'm kind of active. So I think it's going to be a big adjustment to kind of find something to be in place of that. Going to college is going to be a good time to find new hobbies. I think that I'll find a lot of new stuff. I'm excited to meet new people and go out with my friends.
In Downers Grove, reporting from the Blueprint News Network, I'm Ashley Molinari.